Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install the Yuzu emulator on your PC running Windows 11. Yuzu is a Nintendo Switch emulator and I'll guide you step by step through the setup process. First, search for Yuzu in the search bar and open this website to download Yuzu Emulator. The link to this page is in the description below. Once you're on the site, click the download button. Yuzu requires the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++. If you're not sure if your PC has this, you can download it from the Yuzu website. When you launch Yuzu for the first time, it may say that encryption keys are missing. Don't worry, we're going to fix that. Next, we'll add the encryption keys. Go to File and click on Open Yuzu folder. Inside this folder, you should see a folder named Keys. If it's not there, create a new folder and name it Keys. Now, drag your product keys and title keys into this folder from your desktop. After that, exit out of the folder. Next, go to Emulation and click on Configure. In the General settings, you can set your hotkeys. Then go to Graphics and make sure the API is set to Vulkan. Vulkan works best with both NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. You can also adjust the resolution here. I recommend leaving it at 1080p. Now, move over to Advanced and leave everything at the default settings. If you experience stuttering when playing games, you can come back here and change the accuracy level from high to normal. Now, let's set up the controls. Go to the Controls tab, select your controller. The emulator will automatically map the controls for you. Now, it's time to load your games. Double-click where it says Double-click to add a new folder. Then locate the folder where your Switch ROMs are stored. Select the folder and your ROMs will appear in the emulator. Now you're ready to play. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.